Hello children's chapter 7 friction exercise 7F question number 1 simplify 4 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Children's in this fraction denominator are same, that is 7. Write 7 in the denominator. Okay, write 4 plus 2 minus 3. Firstly add these two numbers. 4 plus 2 6 minus 3 as it is upon 7 equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3 upon 7. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is 7 upon 11 minus 4 upon 11 minus 1 upon 11. Children, in this fraction denominator are same, that is 11. Write 11 in the denominator. Write 7 minus 4 minus 1. Firstly solve these two fractions. 7 minus 4 equal to 3 minus 1 as it is upon 11. 3 minus 1 2 upon 11. This is the answer. Next question is 11 upon 13 plus 6 upon 13 minus 1 upon 13. Denominator are same. Write 13 in the denominator. Write 11 plus 6 minus 1 equal to 11 plus 6 17 minus 1 upon 13. 17 minus 1 16 upon 13. Okay children. Next question is 11 upon 21 minus 4 upon 21 minus 3 upon 21. Children's denominator are same, that is 21. Write 21 in the denominator. 11 minus 4 minus 3. Firstly solve these two numbers. 11 minus 4 equal to 7. Write 7 minus 3 upon 21. 7 minus 3 4 upon 21. This is the answer. Next question 2 simplify. 5 upon 9 minus 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9. Since denominator are same, write 9 as it is in the denominator. 5 minus 4 minus 1 equal to 5 minus 4 1 minus 1 as it is upon 9. 1 minus 1 equal to 0 upon 9. Children, 0 upon 9 equal to 0. Your answer is 0. That is 0 divided by 9 equal to 0. Next question is 8 upon 13 plus 6 upon 13 plus 1 upon 13 minus 11 upon 13. Children's denominator are same, that is 13. Write 13 as it is in the denominator. Okay, 8 plus 6 plus 1 minus 11. Firstly add these three numbers. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 1 15. 15 minus 11 upon 13. 15 minus 11 4 upon 13. This is the answer. Next question is 5 upon 12 plus 3 upon 6 minus 9 upon 16. Children's denominator are not same. So find out the LCM of 12, 6 and 16. Write 12, 6, 16. 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16. Again write 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 as it is not divisible by 2, 2 4 is 8. 2, 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 2 is 4. 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1 is 2. Write 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 1 as it is. LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Write 48. Since 48 is a common denominator, write 48 in the denominator. Again write 48 divided by 12 and multiply by 5. Addition sign. Again write 48 divided by 6 multiply by 3 minus again write 48 divided by 16 and multiply by 9. Solve the numerator. 48 divided by 12 equal to children 48 divided by 12. Children 12 4s are 48. 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Answer is 4. Write 4. Multiply 5 as it is. Addition. 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48. 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Your answer is 8. Write 8. Multiply 3 as it is. Subtract 48 divided by 16. 48 divided by 16. Children 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 equal to 0. Answer is 3. Write 3. Multiply 9 upon में 48. 4 multiply 5 20 plus 8 multiply 3 24 minus 3 multiply 9 27 upon में 48. Firstly add these two numbers. 20 plus 24 equal to 44 minus 27 upon में 48. 44 minus 27. 44 minus 27. 4 minus 7. 4 is smaller than 7. 4 से 4 लेंगे 3. 14. 14 minus 7. 7. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 7. 17 upon 48. This is the answer. Okay children. Next question is 4 upon 9 plus 9 upon 18 minus 1 upon 3. Denominator are not same. Find out the LCM of 9, 18 and 3. Nine as it is not divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 as it is. Write 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again write 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Your LCM is 18. Children, 18 is a common denominator. Write 18 in the denominator. 18. Write 18 divided by 9 multiply by 4 plus again write 18 divided by 18 multiply by 9 subtract 18 divided by 3 multiply by 1. 18 divided by 9 2 multiply 4 plus 18 divided by 18 1 multiply 9 as it is minus 18 divided by 3 6 multiply 1 upon में 18. 2 multiply 4 8 plus 1 multiply 9 9 minus 6 multiply 1 6 upon में 18. 8 plus 9 17 minus 6 upon में 18. 17 minus 6 11 upon 18. This is the answer. Question number 3. Simplify 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2. Since denominator are not same, find out the LCM of 8, 4 and 2. 8, 4, 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. Again write 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 8. 8 is a common denominator. Write 8 in the denominator. Again write 8 divided by 8 multiply by 7 minus 8 divided by 4 multiply by 1 प्लस में 8 divided by 2 multiply by 3. Children, 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. Multiply 7 minus 8 divided by 4 2 multiply 1 plus में 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 multiply 3 as it is upon में 8. 1 multiply 7 7 minus 2 multiply 1 2 plus 4 multiply 3 12 upon में 8. Firstly solve these two numbers. Children, 7 minus 2 equal to 5 plus 12 as it is upon में 8. 5 plus 12 upon में 8. 5 plus 12 17 upon 8. This is the answer. Children, change into mixed number. 17 divided by 8. 8 2 is 16. 7 minus 6 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Your remainder is 1. Divisor is 8 and quotient is 2. Your answer is 1 2 1 upon 8. Next question, 5 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Children, in this fractions denominator are not same. Find out the LCM of 8, 4 and 6. LCM of 8, 4 and 6 is 8, 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again write 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is. Write 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this 24 is a common denominator. Write 24 in the denominator. Again write 24 divided by 8 multiply by 5 subtract 24 divided by 4 multiply by 1 add 24 divided by 6 multiply by 1. 24 divided by 8 equal to 3. Multiply 5 as it is minus 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Multiply 1 as it is plus 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. Multiply 1 as it is upon में 24. 3 multiply 5 15 minus 6 multiply 1 6 plus 4 multiply 1 4 upon में 24. 15 minus 6 equal to 9 plus 4 upon में 24. 9 plus 4 13 upon 24. This is the answer.